Hi everybody, Physics Ninja here. I want to start off by wishing everybody, all my friends and family, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I thought today what I would do would be a little bit of Christmas tree arithmetic. Let's explore some of the properties of basic numbers just using multiplication and addition. Now these are problems I typically show students anywhere from 5th to 7th grade, and they kind of find them pretty interesting. So let me go ahead and show you the problems, see what you think. Okay, so to get things started, let's start with just the basic number, right? One of the most kind of basic numbers is the number 1. If we kind of start by filling this out, 1 times 1, everybody should know that one. We get the number 1. Another one you might already know is the number 11, right? 11, if you square it, or 11 times 11, you get this kind of number here. And you can kind of start seeing something develop. This one you certainly probably don't know. What about 111 multiplied by 111? If I square that, and now you should start seeing something emerge over here. It's actually quite an interesting property. How about now if I have 4 ones, right? 1,111. If I square that number, I bet you can kind of guess now what it's going to be. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I can count down 3, 2, 1. What you could start seeing here is really a numerical palindrome. How about the next one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now this one's actually really easy, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you just keep going. 4, 5, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kind of the unique properties of this particular number. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And square that number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now the answer, you can simply write it down. Now it only works for the number 1, but that's okay. Still kind of a unique property of multiplying this number. 3, 2, 1. Boy, you can see this number is getting quite large. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good work. Now we got to count down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the last one I'm going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pretty cool. Those are all the properties of numbers 1, 11, 111, and so forth. And kind of give you this cool kind of structure, and it really is a palindrome, right? Because the number is the same frontwards or backwards, right? And actually the number that kind of ends with is basically simply the number of ones that you have. Here I have 9 ones, so I get the number 9 over here. For the case where I had 4 number ones, I simply go up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's pretty easy to remember this trick. All right, I'll show you a different one. All right, so let's first put that in the Christmas tree over here. Let's put it down at the bottom. And let's fill out the Christmas tree with some other cool properties. All right, so we previously saw a whole bunch of numbers that had 1s, right? Here's a kind of 4 of them. Well, the question is now, how do you get some of these numbers over here? And to do that, what we can do is explore properties of the number 9. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to kind of multiply everything that I have by the number 9. And it's kind of 1 less than 10, so it has kind of some unique properties. And what I'm going to do here, I'm also going to add a little bit each one, right? I'm going to add 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe I can add 10. Just keep this series going. And at the end, well, let's see what we could do here. What if I did want to get the number 1, the first one? I could do 0 times 9. That kind of gives me 0. That's an easy one. Plus 1 gives me 1. How would I get 11? Well, if I could do like 1 times 9 gives me 9 plus 2, I can get 11. The next one's a little bit harder, right? What if I do kind of 12? 12 times 9? 12 times 9 gives me 108. 108 plus 3 gives me 111. You can kind of see something going on here. What about this one? You multiply this one by 9. This one here you have to add 4, and look what you get. You get 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 9 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of unique, right? You can kind of see the way this is kind of developing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 9 plus 6 gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's keep going here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 multiplied by 9, and then you add 7 to that number, you get this kind of cool number. 1, 2, 3. All right, there's 7 ones in here, and you notice that the number of ones is always corresponding to the number here that I've added. So here I'm going to add 8 to it, so you can guess right away. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I could keep going. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And to finish this side over here, well, now I just have to continue this sequence over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here I gotta go all the way 8, and my last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 9, and then you add 10. Kind of unique way, and you get you get all our numbers that we had previously. All right, let's go put that one in the Christmas tree and keep this going. All right, let's add these other numbers here to our Christmas tree. Let's keep it going over here. So there's our sequences that had multiplying numbers with 9 and then adding a little bit, and then we got all our other ones. Let's explore some other properties of numbers and add them to the tree. All right, I just showed you kind of this cool trick that if you multiply kind of these numbers here by the number 9, you can get all ones over here on the right-hand side of this equation. Actually, there's another cool property that if I just, instead of using 9 as kind of my common number here, if I use the number 8, we could start kind of doing this. Let me kind of fill this out. 8's all the way down the board. So all I'm doing now is I'm multiplying 1 times 8. And here I'm going to be adding a number. And each time for each sequence over here, I'm simply going to increase it by 1. All right, so we could do the first one in our head. 8 times a 1 is 8. Plus 1 gives me 9. All right, let's do the next one. 12 times 8. 12 times 8, that one you should be able to do in your head. That's 96. 96 plus 2 gives me 98. You can kind of see where this is going. 123 times 8, that's 984. 984 plus 3. That gives me 987. Well, you can kind of see where this is going. If you carry this one out, you could do that one either on paper, in your head, or using a calculator. What you're going to find is 76, which is kind of interesting. 98765 for the next one. What else? 98765 I bet you can even guess the next 3. You'd be able to do those ones on your own now that you've seen kind of the property, but it's kind of cool, right? You're just kind of counting down, right? We're just multiplying numbers by 8 and then adding a little bit. And they have this kind of unique property. I really find this interesting. 543, and this one 98765 and our last one, which is kind of fun, right? Because you multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 by 8. You add just 9 to it, and you get this, 98765 All right, let's go ahead and add this one to the Christmas tree here. Let's leave a little space for my ninja. And there you have it, folks. Here's our Christmas tree arithmetic.